Hare Krishna students, if you want to follow my class for now or for afterward, so that you have to do only one work, that is you have to press that subscribe button. Okay, that's all. Hare Krishna students, please open your Sanskrit book, page number 74. Okay, today I will teach you only Barno Biyojanam, that means only this much. Okay, so see, Barno Biyojanam means disjoin the letters. Okay, Barno ko alag karna, that alag means disjoin, that means Biyojanam, and Barno means letter. So you have to disjoin the letters. First see how we can disjoin the letters. You know, with all the Vyanjan Varna, we are having at least one Swaravarna. Am I right? So first we have to separate those Swaravarna from the Vyanjan Varna. Okay. See, it is written Vidyalayaha. One by one we will separate. Okay. First, see what it is written. Boy B. Am I right? So W E B. How we can separate these two? See, W for W E V. Am I right? With Vyanjan Varna we are having Swaravarna. So first we have to write Vyanjan Varna, then Swaravarna. Okay. So W. See, I wrote V. Then E. So plus E. Plus E. That means W plus E V. Understand? When we have to separate that Swaravarna from the Vyanjan Varna, how Vyanjan Varna can stay? Without Swaravarna, Vyanjan Varna cannot stay, na? But we have to write. How we can write? That's why you have to give halant in a Vyanjan Varna. If you will give halant in Vyanjan Varna, then that Vyanjan Varna can stay without Swaravarna. Okay. So V plus E V. Okay. And in Vyanjan Varna, definitely you have to give halant. Okay. Then see. Do, yo, a. Dia. See. Do, yo, a. Dia. So there are three letters together. Do, yo, and a ki matra. So do, yo, and a. Please don't write a ki matra. You have to write a, not a ki matra. Okay. So which two are Vyanjan Varna? See, do and yo. These two are Vyanjan Varna. That's why you have to give halant in do also I given. In do also it is given halant, and yo also it is given halant, because these two are Vyanjan Varna. But a it is Swaraha. Swaravarna. Swaraha. That's why no need to give halant here. These three letters together. That's why these three are here. Then the next letter. Whenever you will get one Swaravarna, that means that letter finish. See, where we are getting Swara? See, we are getting Swara. That means one letter finish. Then again see, where we are getting Swaraha? Here we are getting Swara. That means that second letter also up to this much. Okay. Then we will start third letter. So what is third letter? Lo. Say Lo. O is there, na? Definitely one Swaravarna will be there. At least O will be there. That's why Lo, O, Lo. Okay. And this is Vyanjan Varna. That's why halant. Then Yaha. Yo plus aha. Yahalant plus aha. Yaha. Yo plus aha. Yaha. V voi v do yoa. Vidya la ya la. Vidya la o yaha. Vidyalayaha. Okay. Now see the next one. Kaksha. Ko. Ko. Then Kshya. This is what? Shya. So Shya, you know, in Bengali you are telling Khya. How we can make Khya or Kshya? How? Ko plus So plus O. Am I right? So see, Ko plus So plus it will be O. but it is here there a. Why not o? Because there is a ki matra. That's why it should be a. Ko o ko, kosh plus sh, kshya plus a, kshya. If we are getting another Sharavarna, no need to give o. We are getting a, that's why no need to give o. Okay. So ko o ko sh a, kshya. So everywhere you are seeing that with Vyanjan Varna, definitely there will be one Sharavarna. So Swaraha are more and more and more strong. That's why Swaraha no need any Vyanjan Varna. But Vyanjan needs Swara. Okay. So ko o ko sh a ko sh a, kshya, kaksha. Okay. Now see cha, cho a, cha. See halant in Vyanjan Varna, not in Sharavarna. Okay. Cho a, cha. To, tro, this is tro. So toy rafala, to plus ro. Next letter should be ro, then rafala. And first letter should be ro, then ref. You can see these two. After ro, that's why rafala. See, before go, ro is there, that's why it is goi ref. Ro will be first, then ref. If ro will be last, then rafala. Okay. Ro last, rafala, ro first, ref. Ro last, rafala, ro first, ref. Remember like this. Okay. Ro last, rafala, ro first, ref. So now this one, to, ro, tro, then aha, because visarga is there. Aha, traha. Cha, cha, to, ro, aha, chatraha. Then next one, moa, ma. Then goi rep. So ro should be first. Mar. Say mar gaha. Everyone say with me. Mar gaha. So ro before go only it is there. Mar then go. Mar gaha. That's why mo ma then ro. Mar. Then go then aha. Aha visarga is there. So mo ma ro go aha. Mar gaha. Okay. Then the next one. Rafala, that means ro should be last. So po, then ro. Then aki matra, siya, po, ro, a, pra. Then ref, that means ro will be first. Before tho, ro will be there. See, ro plus tho. Prar, tho. Where is tho? This is ro also Vyanjan Varna. That means Vyanjanani, ro also Vyanjanani, tho also Vyanjanani. Am I right? So no, both are the Vyanjanani. How it can be stay without any Sarvana? That's why say partho, o is there. That's why we have to write this o. Partho. Then no ana. See, no ana. Okay. Now come to this side. See. First only kshya, and you know that ko plus so plus o, kshya. Am I right? See, ko plus so plus o, kshya. If there will be e ki matra, then ko plus so plus e. If it is there rikar, then ko plus so plus ri. Okay, but it is there only kshya. Kshya, o is there. That's why ko plus so plus o, kshya. Then 3. 3 means to, ro. To, ro, follow. To, ro. See, to plus ro. Tro. Ro, follow means after ro. Last letter ro. Ro, follow means last letter ro. And rep means first letter ro. So this is last letter ro. So to, then ro. Okay. Then e. 3. Then yo. Then aha. Okay, aha, because yo plus visarga is there. That's why yo plus aha. Ko sha a, kshya, to ra e, 3, yo aha, yah, kshatriyah. Then this one very easy. See, Ko. Say with me, ko. That means o is there. Ko plus o, ko. Definitely you will see only in Vyanjan Varna there will be halant. Okay. See, it is there, halant it is there. It is wrong. Okay, you cannot give halant here. It is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. We cannot give halant in Saravarna. This is wrong. So, ka, sha, ta, ra, ya. These are the Vyanjan Varna. That's why it is halant will be there. So, ka, ka. Ka is halant, Vyanjan Varna. That's why you have to give halant. Ka, ka. Then la, la, la. La is Vyanjan Varna. That's why halant. Then mo, mo, mo. See, mo halant. Vyanjan Varna. That's why. Then mae halant. We cannot write here o. Why? It is already there mae halant. That means there is no Saravarna. Remember, memorize. If we are getting eli halant, that means there will be no Saravarna. Like we are getting here kai halant. That means there is no Saravarna. Okay. We are getting here mai halant. That means there is no Saravarna. Okay. And say now with me, say kalamam, kalamam. We are telling this one ma, but this one mum, mum, ma. This is ma and this one ma, ma. This is ma, this is ma. Ma, that's why o is there, and this one ma. Kalamam, mum. That's why no o is there. If o will be there, what we will say? Kalo momo. Am I right? Kalo momo. Then o will be there. But we are telling what? Kalo mom. That's why no o. Okay. Next one also as same as like this. Pu. Po. U. Pu. Sta. Shata. See, shata. But both are Vyanjan Varna. That's why we need one Saravarna. That's why pusta. O is there. Pusta. Next one ko. Ko, o, ko. Then my halant. Pustakam. Next one gya. This is Vargeja. In Bengali you are telling Vargeja, but in Sanskrit you are telling ja. Ja plus ya. Gya. Then aki matra. Gya. Ja, ya, a. Gya. Then no. No. No, o, no. Then my halant. See my halant. Ja, ya, a. Gya. No, o, no. My halant nam. Gyanam. Next one. Po. Po, o, po. Tha, o, tha. No, o, no. Patana. My halant. My halant. Patanam. Wherever you will get Vyanjan Varna, if you not add the halant, then it will be wrong. So, in Varna Vyajanam, if you want to do the correct Varna Vyajanam, definitely you have to add halant in Vyanjan Varna. Okay. So, this much only today's work. Okay. Today's CW only this much. You can write here date also. Okay. Only this much. Please memorize. Only 10 Varna Vyajanam are there. Only 10. You can remember na. If you remember like this, if I will give something else, then also you can disjoin the letters. Okay. If something else letter, if I give bokoho, then say bo ko plus oho, bokoho. Like this you can. If you understand this one, then memorize, then it will be easy for you. Please first understand, then memorize. Okay. This much only your CW today. No need to write, only memorize. Again I am telling, no need to write, only memorize. Okay. This is only today's CW.